Hi, and welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and if it is not obvious by my beautiful decorations, we are making something birthday themed. We are making birthday cake cookies. And if today is your birthday, I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. But this treat is delicious any time of the year, whether it's your birthday or not. It's easy to whip up. It only takes about 30-40 minutes to have this all come together and be out of the oven and ready to devour. So let's get started. The first step here is to cream together our unsalted butter into a bowl and our granulated sugar. So we are just going to cream these two together until it's nice and fluffy. If you have a stand mixer, you can also use that. It makes it a little bit easier because you don't have to use as much muscle, but you can use a hand mixer like I will be using today. So I'm just scraping down the sides of the bowl a little bit. Our butter is nice and combined here with our granulated sugar. So we are going to add in 1 egg. And next we're going to add in the star of the show here. I'm going to be flavoring these with our birthday cake Artisan natural flavor. This is such a great way to add that true vanilla, warm, cakey, frosting flavor to any application, not just these cookies. You can add this in things like ice cream, buttercream, anything you can imagine, anything you want to flavor like birthday cake, this is what you need. So I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. As soon as you open the bottle, you get all of those really, really bright, warm notes. And now we're just going to combine this all together. All right, now it's time to go in with our dry ingredients. So I'm going to first mix them all together. So I have flour here, I have baking soda, and then of course, some salt. Gotta have a little salty with your sweet, right? Now let's mix these together. And I'm just going to add this in an increment. So I'm gonna start with a little bit, mix it, and then add more until it's all combined. Next, I'm going to add in our sprinkles. Then we are going to lay this out onto some saran wrap, press it all together, and then refrigerate it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I mean, what's a birthday cake cookie without sprinkles? All right, so I have my saran wrap here. I'm just going to place our cookie dough onto it, and we're gonna wrap it up. And we will then roll it out, cut our desired cookie shapes, put it on our baking sheet, and pop it in the oven. All right, so our dough has chilled, and now it is time to roll it out. I'm using a silicone mat solely because it's easier to clean up. But if you don't have one of these, just use any countertop. But you will want to flour it. So have a little bowl of flour next to you during your rolling out step here, and just sprinkle it all over your surface. This is gonna prevent your dough from sticking. And now just unwrap your dough. Looking good. It's gonna taste even better. Put it down. And you also are going to want to flour the top of your dough a little bit and also flour your rolling pin, again, because you don't want anything sticking to your pin. So put a little bit here. And now I'm just going to flour my rolling pin here. All right, now you just have to roll it out. Don't want to knock my flour off the table. That would be a mess that I don't want to clean up. Okay, now I'm going to go in and cut out my cookies, and I'm going to place them on my parchment lined baking sheet. So I have a nice just plain circle cookie cutter, but use whatever shape you want. You can do a little party hat. That would be fun. right, now we're gonna pop these in the oven for about 8 minutes. Your leftover dough, you can roll this back up into a ball and then roll it back out and create more cookies. So pretty fun, pretty easy, and you get lots of delicious birthday cake cookies. Let's get these in the oven and we will just make some more cookies with this leftover dough. All right, there you have it. Our cookies here are done. I pulled them out of the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a couple of minutes and then transferred them here to a cooling rack. So at this point, if you wanted to, you could let them cool completely and then frost them, or just eat them as they are because they are delicious plain. And even if you did want to frost them, I think it would be super delicious to add just a little bit of the birthday cake Artisan to the buttercream just to give it that extra pop of birthday cake flavor. But I'm going to enjoy them plain, so let's give it a try. This one looks absolutely delicious. All those sprinkles. Wow, that is absolutely incredible. We get such a big burst of real birthday cake flavor, along with that nice, fresh, warm out of the oven cookie. Absolutely irresistible. I would love to dip this in a glass of milk. I think that would just be the cherry on top of the cookie. And I really hope that you guys give these a try. It's a delicious recipe, great for anybody's birthday or whenever you're craving a little birthday cake treat. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting that little subscribe button down there. That way you will never miss any new recipes, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. You can find us as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time.